Hello, my name is Julia James. Career Clarity Coaching is what I do, and I'm here to help you get on the path that is right for you. I want to share about how to live your values. And so one of the things when you're stuck in a career or a job that's just not right for you, most likely your values are being compromised. The things that are currently driving you crazy, making you really angry, really feeling like the hair standing up your back, like those are actually things that will help you discover what your values are. Those are the situations where your values are really compromised. So it's really about digging into, oh, what is it that actually is rubbing me the wrong way here? And what is it, that's not working for me? What are the things? What are the values that are being compromised? Finding your values through the angle of looking at what makes you angry is actually a really powerful way to really get to the core of it. Because when something is making you angry, there's a lot of energy there. So it's really something, it must be compromising at quite a strong value. Otherwise, you wouldn't get angry. It's like when something is not as important, we would feel indifferent or maybe would just be bored or something. But when something is making you angry, something is really getting under your skin, it's actually harming and overstepping a really important value. So it's really important to get curious around that. And so I have developed a 5-step process for you to really look at what is the value that's being compromised. And as you get to know your value, the good news is that you can then start honoring it yourself. And this is very empowering because, again, we often wait for some outside force to give us what we need. And actually, you have the power to honor your values, to live your values yourself. And so power back to you. So hop onto my blog, get those 5 steps, and start living your values because you are worth it.